Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we are going to get the equation of parabola if you are given the focus and the directrix. So as you can see on your window, I have written the code in Python language, and the libraries that I have used is NumPy, Matplotlib and SymPy. So what I'll do is first I'll ask the user for the coordinates of the focus. So I'll execute this cell. So let's consider the coordinates of the focus to be 1, 1. So the coordinates of the focus is 1, 1. So now in the next cell, I'll ask the user to give the coefficient of the directrix line, and the equation of the line is considered to be ax plus by plus c. So the user will have to give the coefficient value, that is a, b and c. So I'll execute this cell also. So let's consider the coefficient to be a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to 4. So the coefficient of the directrix line is 2, 3 and 4. So that means the equation will be 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. In the next cell, I have written the function to get the equation of parabola when the coordinates of the focus and the coefficient of the directrix line is known. So I'll execute this cell also. After that, I'll execute the other cell to get the equation, and the equation that is obtained is 9x square minus 12xy minus 42x plus 4y square minus 3y plus 10. And finally, I'll execute the next cell to see the equation. So now it is 9x square minus 12xy minus 42x plus 4y square minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. So you can run the code, try it by yourself. Please do comment. Please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next video.